Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a simple Next.js app from scratch, and then you can build up on that app and then start working on your own projects. And we're gonna be working on one project related to AI on this channel, so subscribe if you wanna know more about it. So the first thing that we want to do is just open Visual Studio, go to the terminal. You'll have to click where it says New Terminal. So that's going to take you here. Open a new terminal. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Alright, so we'll just open the terminal and issue the following command: npm create Next.js-App, and then the name of the app, which is going to be AI app, and then we'll give it this flag so that it starts with the TypeScript configuration. Let's just click on enter. And that's gonna ask you, like, would you like to use the TypeScript with this project? We'll say yes. We'll just keep whatever the default is here. Tailwind, we'll say yes. We'll say no, yes, no, and that's gonna install all these packages that you're gonna use to run your Next.js app. So usually if you don't have like the Next app, it's gonna tell you like you need to install like the Next app or something like that. Just follow whatever it tells you to do and just go with the default here. Alright, so let's just give it a second. So now it's installing. Alright, so usually when it's installed, it just gives you this success here. And what we want to do now is, since it created like we need to cd into the app, right? So that there is like a directory, but it's not here. So we'll just say cd AI app, and that's gonna cd you into the AI app. So once you're in there, we can just open the code by saying code and then dot, and that's gonna open it in a new window, but it's gonna have all the code on the left. So let's just do that. Let's go here. Let's just open the terminal once again, and you can see everything that's been installed here on the left. Alright, so let's just clear this for now. Alright, so now you're on the AI app. So let's explore what we have here. We have the Tailwind configuration, which we're gonna be using it for to give a styling to our app. We have the public. We have the folder that's called app that has the page .tsx, which is the main page, right? So let's just run our app to see how it looks. So we'll just say npm run dev. So it says that's already here. So you can just open whichever browser and just go to localhost. So if you come here, you'll see that it's running on the local host, and this is the app that we have. Right now we're gonna make some changes here because we don't have all that boilerplate, and the first thing that we're gonna do is let's just copy all of this, and let's create a new folder which is gonna be called pages, and here we'll create an index.tsx. Alright, and whatever you copied from the app page.tsx, let's just paste it in here. And let's go back to app and let's delete page.tsx. This is just for like a single page application, so in our case we're gonna have more pages. That's why I just created a new folder and a new file here, which is gonna be the index or the home page here, and it's called home. So yeah. So let me just delete all of these because we don't want this. So we'll just take all of this, just delete it, and then we'll just create our own. We'll just say div, and here, let's see. Since we're gonna be creating an AI app, we'll just say something like enter prompt or something like that. Alright, and then we'll just have an input box where users are gonna put the prompt, and then we'll just have like an output. Say output here, and then we'll generate something, right? Alright, so we'll just have this for now, and let's go back to our app and let's see how it looks. Initial UI doesn't match. Okay, let's just re-render this, and here you have the prompt, and then here you can just type something, right? And then we'll have the output here. So we'll just have this for now. This is just like for now, it's a placeholder. And basically when you add like these pages folder and then you start adding like files like that .tsx, you know, so basically when you added this pages folder and added this index.tsx, this is the home page. But if you were to add like a different one that says I don't know, let me just say like the contact page, right? So we'll just say contact.tsx, and then let's just copy whatever it's here for now. We'll just change the name to contact page, and here we'll just change this. This is just to show you how Next.js already routes these pages by itself. So we'll just say contact, so we don't have to do anything. Just by creating them in the pages folder, it just creates the route to these pages here. So this is the home page. So what happens if we go to the contact page? It cannot be found. So let's see what we did wrong. Oh, it is there. It just took a second. Let's just reload it again. So that's the contact page. Let me just make sure. So once you go here, you can see that it says like it's the contact page. I don't know why the text is so small. Anyways, we can change that later. So as you can see here, now the localhost /contact, that takes you to the contact page, and we didn't have to do anything, just create the file here in the pages folder, and that's gonna have the route to that page automatically, and that's what Next.js does by itself. So we're just gonna leave it there for now. We'll just have our index, and yeah, that's pretty much where we're gonna end this tutorial. In the next one, I'll show you how to start implementing this, and also add some styling, and we'll take it from there. So if you like the video, if you want to see more videos like this, just leave a comment, just share the video with others. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.